travel with your pets. Hey, pet lovers! Are you thinking of taking your furry friend on your next trip? Well, you're in the right place. We're going to chat about everything you need to know to make traveling with your pet fun and stress-free. Let's get started. Understanding pet travel requirements. So, first things first, let's talk rules. Every country, and even airlines, has its own set of rules when it comes to traveling with pets. You'll need to check if your pet needs any special vaccinations or a health certificate. And, some breeds might have restrictions, so it's super important to know these details ahead of time. Pet travel insurance. Now, have you thought about pet travel insurance? It's like a safety net. It can cover vet bills if your pet gets sick on the trip, and some policies even help if, heaven forbid, your pet gets lost. Choosing the right carrier. Alright, let's talk comfort, your pet's carrier. You want something sturdy but comfy. And make sure it's the right size. Try getting your pet used to the carrier before the trip. Trust me, it'll make things way easier. Preparing for the flight. Flying with pets. Here's the scoop. Direct flights are the way to go, less hassle for you and your pet. Check in early to avoid the rush. And remember, no big meals before flying. We don't want any upset tummies up in the air. Hotel stops for pets. Not all hotels love pets as much as we do, so find one that's pet-friendly. Check their pet policies, like any extra fees or rules they might have. And hey, some hotels even offer cool pet services. Wait a minute, did we tell you we treat 7 Seas Holidays subscribers with exciting discounts on booking trips with us? So, if you haven't already subscribed, do it now. Packing essentials. Along with your stuff, pack a bag for your pet too. Food, water, their favorite toy, maybe a cozy blanket. Oh, and don't forget their leash and some waste bags. Gotta keep things clean, right? Health and safety. A quick trip to the vet before you travel is a great idea. Make sure your pet is fit for travel and up to date on shots. And keep their health records handy, just in case. Pet-friendly activities. You're at your destination. What's next? Find some cool, pet-friendly spots. A park, a beach, or a nice trail. Just remember to follow the local rules and always clean up after your pet. Dining with pets. Feeling hungry? Look for places where you can dine with your pet. Some cafes and restaurants are super pet-friendly and might even have a special menu for your furry friend. Pet sitting services. Okay, let's talk about when you're out exploring. Sometimes, you'll find cool places that, sadly, aren't pet-friendly. No worries, though. This is where pet sitting services come in handy. They're like babysitters for pets. Your furry pal will be in safe hands while you're out. Just make sure to choose a reputable service. Identification tags. Now, this is crucial. Always have an up-to-date ID tag on your pet's collar. It should have your contact info, just in case you two get separated. And here's another tip, think about microchipping your pet. It's an extra layer of safety to help you reunite with your pet if they ever get lost. Prepare for emergencies. Last but not least, you need to be prepared for emergencies. Know where the nearest vet clinic is at your destination. It's always better to be safe than sorry. Having a pet emergency plan gives you peace of mind so you can relax and enjoy your trip. If you have already traveled with your pet, join us in the comments section, and let's help others plan their trips with their furry friends. Thanks for watching and stay connected for more traveling tips and guides.